Jarogo waterfall.
Jarogo waterfall is known as the most beautiful and highest waterfall in Swat Valley, located in Chatakal village of Tehsil Mata Swat, at a distance of about 53 kilometers from Ningara Swat, which takes 2 hours in a vehicle, followed by 45 minutes hike. Height of the waterfall is 400 feet. The altitude of waterfall is about 8,000 feet from sea level. The waterfall is surrounded by lush green dense forest. There are also beautiful meadows on the top of waterfall, which takes 30 minutes by feet to reach there from waterfall.